Hi everyone. So today finally I received the Amazon IT assets. I was waiting for them eagerly. Let's check it out कि उन्होंने भेजा क्या है. And before starting, a small disclaimer. मैं ये वीडियो कोई भी शो ऑफ के लिए नहीं बना रहा हूँ. It's just any other normal video that you watch on YouTube or other social media platforms. And even I know that people get much more and far more better things than this. But I belong to a non-tech background and getting a tech job was something that made me happy, so that's why I thought of making a video. So finally let's check it out what they've sent. This is the box that I received from Amazon. Let's open it. This letter says do not turn on the machine till day 1, so we are not allowed to turn on the laptop. They've sent till day 1. It says that you will be having login issues. A Dell optical mouse, charging cable and the adapter, just this. Okay, these are the headphones, so you can even connect it with your PC, and it also has a 3.5mm jack, so you can connect it with your phone as well. They look stylish and look premium as well. A pretty cool Wildcraft backpack. Gives a nice feel when you rub it. And this is the most important thing. Okay, the HP laptop. Let me check the model. Okay, it's HP EliteBook 840 G7 business laptop. I guess it costs around 1,26,000. It costs much more than Apple MacBook M1. Let's check it out. Looks like an egg crate. Let's open it. Okay, it's quite lightweight. Has the branding over here, EliteBook. A unique HP logo as well. Oh, this looks premium. Thank you Amazon for sending all these. Yeah. So I still remember that I was not having my personal laptop, so I was quite disheartened that I won't be able to appear for these Amazon tests. Then I asked one of my friends. Frankly speaking, I asked many of my friends, but none of them helped me out. Then one of my friends, I asked him, so he told me to talk to his mother. And when I talked to auntie, I asked her about it, and then she is so helping that she told me that yeah, you can keep the laptop, you can give all your tests. I was keeping my friend's laptop for around 2 months, so with his laptop I appeared for Amazon, and I remember that this was the first test that I appeared on Amazon, and luckily the first time I got selected. So people like her are very rarely found on earth. So once again, thank you auntie for helping me out. And these UB keys as well, I don't know what they are used for. I'll be getting to know about it when I'll move into the production. And one more thing, if you guys need any kind of help, you can ping me on Instagram, you can DM me, or you can write in the comment section as well. I'll make sure that I can reply to most of the comments, and I'll try to help you out in